right, guys. Hey, we got the review out of the way for these. So now you know what is next. Guys, today I'm showing you the 3 ways on how I lace up the Air Jordan 13 in the Flint colorway. And as you can see right here, we are rocking the Loosey Goosey. I'm gonna go ahead and put you on the 3 different lace styles. And if you wanna go ahead and see how I do that, sit back, because we're gonna get started right here, right now. Love y'all. Let's begin. Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. It is your boy. I hope you're having a great day, and I hope you're having a very, very blessed day. In today's video, I'm bringing you yet another video for 2026. First and foremost, happy Friday too. I hope your Friday is looking lovely. And the video that I'm bringing you guys is a segment that's actually one of my favorites. I usually bring you guys it every now and then, and I'm bringing it again. It's the 3 ways on how to lace up my Air Jordan sneakers, or really just sneakers in general. But today we are taking a look at an Air Jordan that we're going to be doing it on. And this is a returning Air Jordan, the Air Jordan 13 Flint. We already went ahead and did a review over on these guys, I want to say a week ago, if I'm mistaken, 2 weeks ago. And now we're going to be doing the lace tutorial for these guys. That way you can get your laces nice and styled up. That way you're rocking up, looking good when you're wearing these things. So before we go ahead and actually take a look and do an actual lace tutorial over on the Air Jordan 13 Flint, guys, I do want to go ahead and give you guys your kudos, give you guys your shouts, give you guys your thanks, because I seriously appreciate you every time I upload a video. Your support and love means tremendous amount to me. So let's get started. All right, so first and foremost, thank you guys so much for the love and support that you show tremendously. It means a tremendous amount to me, no exaggeration. I know we kind of are in a little different time with shoes. I know shoes are kind of, there's some people opting out of it, there's some people that are still into it. And you know, there's the drought this year has been kind of like up and down in terms of sneakers. Like right now, there's nothing really releasing right now, so it's kind of down for sneakers. But these upcoming weeks and upcoming months, we actually do have some nice sneakers dropping. So I greatly do appreciate just all the support and love that you guys always show me. It means a lot, even around these slow times. If you haven't already, definitely hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. That way, anytime I drop anything sneaker related, even on the shorts, you're alerted and notified. And I do drop a lot of videos, so I want you to be notified, seriously. Also, if you want to get featured like you see right here, comment down below and let me know how you guys are feeling today. I like to just engage with you guys as much as I possibly can. I'm thinking about here shortly doing like a showcase or like a sneaker of the week, where you guys send me some submissions of, like, you know, shoes you're wearing over on Instagram, and I'll pull from you guys your pictures that you send me, and I'll post it like I'm doing right here with my comment section, just because I do like to see the engagement for you guys. It really does mean a lot. So if you want to get featured like you see right here, all you gotta do is comment and engage with the channel. Now, with that said, we're gonna go get straight away into the lace tutorial for the Air Jordan 13 Flint. We're doing the bunny lace, we're doing the loosey goosey, we're doing the knot lace, and then I am gonna go ahead and pan to the camera. That way you can see it on feet. Sit back, relax, and let's get started. Here we go, starting off with the very first lace style. This is the bunny lace. Follow along and I promise you will be good. So if this is your first time checking out the channel, and you've never seen any of my lace tutorials, well, welcome. I like to go ahead and start off by taking out the laces from out of the eyelets. That way we have a good starting point for you guys to follow. So with these, the Air Jordan 13, I really love the silhouette. This shoe, the eyelets are on the inside of the shoe, as you see right here. So the concept is usually still the same with what I do with all my other laces. I go ahead and put them through. With the bunny lace, the biggest one for this one is when you're feeding it up, you want to make sure your laces and your slack isn't too tight. So just follow along. So we're going to start with the right, as you see right here, and we're going to feed it through the eyelet. Excuse eyelet. Feed it through that eyelet right there. And once you feed it up, make it so this part right here, give yourself some slack. You don't give yourself too tight. You do that, and then you're gonna be struggling once you get to the very end of it. So I put those two together. So what I like to go ahead and do is always kind of make sure my laces are together after I put them through two eyelets. So like that, and like that. So as you see, they're not too tight and they're not too loose, they're just right. So we're gonna go ahead and take the right, feed it on the third eyelet going up, as you see. Put it through there. Take the other one, put it through the third one again. Make sure you adjust them, make sure they're nice and right. Then we're gonna take the other one, put it through the fourth one. Then take the other side and put it through the fourth one. All right, so we're gonna take it again. We're gonna put it through the fifth one. And boom, like that. And then we'll take the other side again and we'll put it through the fifth one again. So it should look like this. Now, as you see, there are two eyelets going up on both sides. If you want, you can utilize that. I personally don't like it because I like the way my laces look when I tie it, and I don't put it through those two eyelets, so check it out. What I do is I make a regular bunny lace, or knot, and then I just tie it like this, bing. Tie it and boom, like so. I stretch it, and after I stretch it, this is how it looks. And you can make your knot a little smaller if you want to as well. That just depends on how much slack you gave yourself. But when you're done, it'll look like this. Not bad. I like how it just sits there. You put it through here and you tie it, it might look choked up, but that's how the bunny lace will look like after you get it done. I might adjust them just a little bit more too to make it smaller. But on feet is coming up right now. Let's take a look at it. And here we go, guys. All right, guys, and here we go. We got the Air Jordan 13 2026 in the bunny lace. Let me know down below how you guys are liking these. Do you like, I don't know if you can notice, but I did go ahead and make the laces a little bit tinier. That way that knot is a little sitting right there on the top of the tongue. Let me know down below, do you guys like this one? Again, like I said, with this one, just making sure your laces aren't super tight, but they're also not super loose too. That way you have a nice style like you see right here. Let me know down below how you feel about this one. Moving on to the second lace style, loosey-goosey, and here we go. All right, guys, so here we go with the second lace style. This is the loosey-goosey, and here we go. So the technique about this one really is all about just going up, but being nice and loose with it. And the looser you have it, the more when you go to the very last eyelet, it will hang. So let's go ahead and do the same thing. You're gonna put it through the eyelets, put them through, but you'll notice as I put it through the eyelets, I make sure it's nice and loose. And the reason why is because also when you get up there too, you can stretch the shoe out too, and I'll show you guys. So go ahead, there you go. Make it nice and loose, as you can see right here. And I think, for me personally, I think the loosey-goosey looks the best with the Air Jordan 13 Flint. Just my opinion. You guys let me know down below how you feel about it, but I'm very excited and so happy to have these in the collection again. And this time, to stay. I sold my last pair, I ain't gonna lie. In 2020 I did, because I wanted to trade it for, I think I traded it for, what shoe was it? I can't remember. I think it was the Breads, the Bread 4. So good trade, but you know, I was like, dang, gotta let them go. So move up the ladder here. As you see, make it nice and loose. And I'll give you guys a closer look as well. So take a look at it like that. You're probably wondering like, oh my God, it looks sloppy. Don't you worry, promise you. It's all gonna come together. It's all gonna come together. All right, so now we're at the 5th eyelet. I just feed it through there. And then you see how we saw some slack. So stretch it out a little bit. And then now, take it. Hope these eyelets don't give me too much trouble. Oh, good job, they didn't. And then feed this one through it. And when you're done, it should look like so. Tuck that in. When you're done, it should look like this. Don't be afraid to hold down for a little bit, stretch them out so they can stay. Bend them a little bit. And when you're done, this is how they're going to look. When you put the shoe on, don't worry about this looking sloppy. It'll stretch and these will tighten, but these laces will stay how they look right here. Let me know down below, guys, how you feel about this one. We're gonna go ahead and put it on the feet right now, and let's take a look at it on feet. Let's go. All right, guys, here we go right here. Lace style number 2. This is the Loosey Goosey, and for some odd reason, I think these look the best with the Air Jordan 13. I know I might be jumping the gun a little bit. We do have one more lace style, but just look how they look when you have them on feet. And like I said, remember how I said they look from the toe box when you were lacing them up? They were gonna look sloppy, but look how they tightened when you have them on the feet, because when you put your feet in there, it just causes them to expand. I think these look really good in my opinion. Definitely for me so far, my favorite lace style for this style at least. And yeah, I think these are nice. Let me know down below, guys, how you guys feel about it. One more lace style we got, the knot lace, and here we go, guys. All right, guys, here we go. This is the third and final lace style, the knot lace, and here we go. So the same thing with this one, you're gonna go ahead and work yourself up and work your way up to the eyelets right here. Let's go ahead and push these in. Boom, push them in. Now this one, in my opinion, you don't have to have, it doesn't have to be really loose. You can have it tight if you want to, but you wanna have enough to where when you do your knot, it's not looking crazy. So right now we're on the third eyelet, working our way up to there, tie it in, keep following along. Appreciate you guys for showing the tremendous love and support that you always do. It really does mean a lot to me, and I'm very thankful to have a community like this where you guys support me. It means a tremendous amount. So as you see right here, we are moving up to the 5th eyelet right here. Now what I like to do is I push it through this eyelet, see it? Put it in there, kind of adjust it, and then I'm not gonna put it through the second. So you have 2 eyelets. 1, 2. 1, 2. I'm not gonna do that. What I'm gonna do is take it, follow along. Take it, take these 2. Take 2 fingers and see, tie it around like this. Push this, when you tie it, push these in the middle right here, like so, and then adjust these down right here. So it'll look like so. I'll do it again. If you're wanting it to be a little smaller, just adjust your slack for your laces. And when you adjust it, like for example, it'll come out really tiny, like so. So push it through, take it, and adjust it, come on, like that, So it should look like so. See it? Adjust it a little more for you guys, and it'll look like so. Take a look at it like that, that's how it will look. And it's not going anywhere, guys. Let's go ahead and put these guys on feet right now, and then I'm gonna cut away to the end of the video. Let's go ahead and do it. All right, guys, here we go right here. This is the third and last lace style, the knot lace. Let me know down below how you feel about these. I like these as well. Not as much as I like them as the loosey goosey, but these are nice. I like how they sit, and the cool thing about this one, once you do it right, these laces aren't going anywhere. Like, I don't care, you could be running hard, walking them, however you're utilizing your shoes, like the laces aren't going anywhere. I think it's a good style for the Flint as well. My favorite still is the Loosey Goosey. Let me know down below how you feel about this one, guys. It means a lot to me. Now let's go ahead and end the video off. Here we go. All right, guys, so boom, that was the 3 ways on how I lace up the Air Jordan 13 Flint, guys, for 2026. Such a phenomenal shoe. Very happy, Nike, you brought these back for this year. Which one was your favorite lace style? I honestly never usually go with the Loosey Goosey, but I gotta admit, something about the lace style, and I think just kind of how the laces are for the Air Jordan 13 Flint, is making me go with the Loosey Goosey for these guys. Let me know down below how you feel about these. I just like the way they look in terms of just kind of styling, in my opinion. I could be obviously different, you guys could like something different, but let me know down below which one was your favorite lace style. For me, I definitely gotta go with the Loosey Goosey for this one, guys. But ladies and gentlemen, this is the end of the video. Appreciate all the love and support that you show me tremendously. It does mean a lot. Remember, it's only gonna be one you. Be the best you. Again, let me know which one you found helpful for down below. It really does help the channel out. Also, more videos are on the way, more shorts are on the way. I think the next shoe that I'm really hungry for, or I guess you could say just wanting, is probably the Space Jam 9s. I'm actually really excited for those, so I cannot wait for that. Everything else, I know we have those, is it Lightning Force that are coming out? If I could be wrong. They're all right, but I don't know, I'm not as excited as I am for the Space Jam 9s. I'm really excited for those. So until next time, guys, I love you guys so much. I will catch you in the next video. Love y'all. Take care. Have a wonderful day. Bye-bye.